Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Today's video is going to be all around hair loss, hair growth. Something I was really struggling with for a long time this year is postpartum hair loss. I was dealing with so much hair fallow, especially every single time I would shower, there would be chunks of hair that would fall out. I lost a lot of hair around my hairline, and I'm so happy to have growth coming back now here, and I attribute it to everything I'm gonna be sharing with you guys today. It was definitely something I was struggling with and felt very insecure with. My hair was just feeling so thin and it was breaking all the time. My hair wasn't growing, so I was trying everything to help with it, and I finally did find things that really helped with speeding up my hair growth and helping with the hair loss that I was experiencing. Let's just jump into it. So I'm gonna start first with the number one tip, which I noticed the fastest results and the best results with, and that is investing in a hair growth device. If you guys have tried every single topical hair growth kind of product there is out there, I recommend investing in a hair growth device. In particular, I love the iRestore Elite device, and I'm super excited to say that I am partnering up with iRestore. This has been the biggest thing that has helped me with my postpartum hair loss and also helping with the overall growth of my hair. Overall, this device is gonna help with so many things, including less shedding and breakage, as well as growth and regrowth and fullness, thickness, and length. What really differentiates this products from other on the market is it uses Lumitech technology. Essentially, iRestore is the only system to combine lasers and LEDs to provide complete scalp coverage and ensure light energy is evenly distributed to reach and regrow more of your hairs. Lasers provide deeper spot stimulation, while LEDs provide a broader uniform coverage to fill in the gaps in between lasers. It stimulates circulation, helps follicles grow faster, gives them nutrients they need because of that blood flow, as well as helping keep the hairs on the head. Of course, I have the iRestore Elite device, and this one does have the 500 lasers and LEDs. It's super simple to use. You just put it onto your head like a helmet. You can get the portable chargers so that you can move around with it. Turn it on by clicking this button, and then you press start, and it will make a beep noise, meaning that your session will begin. And then after 12 minutes, which is how long each session will last, it will beep so that you know it's done. I really like how this also is like a helmet, because some hair devices on the market just cover like one spot, while this covers the entire scalp. So it really covers the sides really nicely, as well as the front and back. If you find the helmet doesn't fit you correctly or as good, you can go ahead and message them, and they'll send you like different little sponges here to help so it fits your head properly. Super comfortable on the head. This in particular is FDA cleared. It's a non-invasive treatment, and it is the most powerful at-home device there is on the market. Become just like a daily habit into my routine. The biggest difference I noticed is the regrowth around my hairline, and as well as less shedding. Like I said, I was literally shedding clumps of hair in the shower. It was atrocious. And since using the iRestore Elite device, I have not noticed really any shedding in the shower. I've just noticed an overall difference in the thickness and quality of my hair. I feel like I'm getting my hair back to the best that it's ever been. I will go up and throw a bunch of their before and afters for you guys to see. Results did show over 43% of an increase in hair count in just 4 months, as well as 100% of the studied iRestore users did grow hair in the 4 months that they were clinically studied. It can be quite pricey to invest in a hair device, but why I really love iRestore is that they do have a 12-month money guarantee back if you are not satisfied. All the information will be in the description box for you, but if you use my code Nicoletta, you'll get $625 off of the iRestore Elite device. And as well as if you always wanted to, you can always share it with your family members and things like that, so it can kind of be like a joint thing. This, I have to say, is the most effective hair loss option. Next, I'm just gonna move on to other little tips and tricks that you can incorporate into your daily routine or hair care routine that has personally helped me over time, and that I've noticed a difference when it comes to the overall health of my hair, the fullness, helping with breakage, and as well as growth. These are just like little things that you could try to incorporate and see kind of what works out for you. The second tip I have is to incorporate scalp massages. You can do this on a daily. If you just gently put pressure on your scalp and really massage your scalp with your fingertips, this is gonna help to bring blood circulation to the hair follicles and help your hair to grow faster. Also, when it comes to doing scalp massages, I do really like to do them with an oil, whether that's a castor oil or olive oil, and just really massaging it into your scalp. And these oils are really great for your hair growth and for overall hydration of your hair. Number 3 is to exfoliate your scalp weekly. I never used to do this, but when I started incorporating this into my hair care routine, I noticed such a big difference. One of the major reasons for hair thinning is product buildup in your scalp and just excessive skin cells clogging your hair follicles. Just like we exfoliate our body to get rid of our dead skin cells, it's important to exfoliate your scalp as well on a weekly basis. This is really just going to get rid of that product buildup and really cleanse and clean the scalp. When you are using an exfoliant on the scalp, you want to make sure, of course, that it is mild and not super abrasive. Number 4 is diet. Eating a balanced and a nutritious diet is essential to your overall hair health and hair growth. You want to make sure you have a diet rich in vitamins and minerals and proteins, and this includes things like fruits and vegetables. Protein and omega-3 is super essential to seeing the best results in your hair. Protein is present in every cell in your body and plays a crucial role in many bodily processes, including hair growth, and omega-3s are so important for maintaining hair and scalp health, and you could get more of those in your diet from sources like seafood or flax seeds or eggs. Speaking of eggs, let's move on to tip number 5, and that is incorporating an egg hair mask. So I know that sounds really crazy, but I have incorporated this into my hair care routine for quite some time, and I started reintroducing it because I actually haven't done it for a while, but I have noticed such a big difference just doing this. This is just a natural remedy, DIY at home. Literally all you need is an egg. Eggs are a great remedy to treat persistent hair fall. It's rich in protein, sulfur, zinc, and phosphorus. Eggs strengthen the hair strands, it promotes hair growth, and it really helps to prevent split ends. I did do a whole video of applying egg hair mask into my hair on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, you totally can, but I have mentioned it so many times on my channel and I really do notice a difference. This is just such an easy hair remedy to add into your hair care routine. Moving on to number 6, and that is to brush your hair gently. I actually like to use a wide tooth comb. This is actually the wide tooth comb I got from iRestore. I just find that it's a lot more gentle on the hair, and I find it doesn't pull out your hair as much, leading to less hair fall. You want to make sure that you brush your hair on a daily basis, but you want to make sure you're also gentle with it. Like, I don't like to brush out my hair when it is wet. I really try not to, because that is when your hair is at its most fragile state. That leads me to number 7, which is to avoid tight hairstyles. Avoiding those super tight, slick ponytails and buns or half up, half downs. Of course, once in a while wearing your hair up for an event is okay, but to do it on a daily basis or quite often, it can really just pull on the hair follicles, and in turn it will cause damage to the hair shaft. And if you just wear tight hairstyles all the time, it puts so much stress, it will lead to breakage, and over time it will lead to hair loss. Another thing that is quite common that can lead to hair loss over time, and that is number 8, to try to avoid heat styling as often as you can, because of course heat styling is just not good for the hair. It increases inflammation of the scalp and damages the hair at the roots. So I used to be someone that would always use heat on my hair, and I was someone that would use it on a daily basis for many years, until I realized how bad it was. I would literally get so many split ends that my hair was just constantly breaking. It would never grow for years and years. I just had so much breakage, and I started to really cut down the heat styling, and I noticed the biggest difference. And the last tip I have is to apply essential oils. Essential oils that I personally really like when it comes to helping with the overall hair health and hair growth is rosemary oil. I apply it to the scalp. You can even do your scalp massage with some rosemary. And I just find overall this has really just promoted hair growth and has made my hair look and feel its best. Those are all of my tips and tricks when it comes to helping with hair loss and hair growth. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was useful. Like I said, I will link down below iRestore and the iRestore Elite device for you guys, as well as their discount code. I hope this did help you guys out. These are definitely everything that I incorporate into my hair care routine and into my life to be able to help with the overall health of my hair, fullness, help with breakage, hair fallout, and as well as my hair growth for the hair loss I was getting around my hairline. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do try to post as often as possible, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!